Hello my fashionistas, let me show you how you can achieve this beautiful party style without using a single pin. Come with me, let me show you how it is done. So the goal of this Headwrap is to avoid using any pin. Yes, you heard me right. Any pin, and we're still going to achieve a very beautiful style. So my gele is in a division of 90-10, which means I have a very short hand, which I'm tucking in right there at the back. So this is how you wrap your hair at the back. If you don't want to use a pin, tuck in the short hand and then make sure that the long hand, the 90 hand, cross over that short hand and make it snuggy. And just arrange the leftover fabric like in a rough pleated shape around gele. So I'm just kind of like doing a gather here. And I just take it around the perimeter of my head. It went once, and this is the second time, but this second time around, I decided to create a style with a twist. So I just folded some fabric in the center of my forehead right there and use my hair tie to hold it in place. So if you want your hack to be high, you can hold more fabric, but I don't want it to be too high. This length is good enough for me, and all I did was to tuck in the leftover fabric. And honestly speaking, guys, it felt so snuggy in my head that I don't even worry that I have to use pin or any place holder to secure the gele. It's so snuggy and firm in my head. And all I did now is to open up that folded part in front to create a fan shape hack design for my gele. And you can see it's looking all good. Look at the back. The back is well covered, and I'm just making sure everywhere is covered and is not sitting on top of each other. And that's how the back looks like. And this is the front of my gele style without using a single pin, guys. This is super easy. If you are the type that like a lot of pins, you can pin down both sides of the hack and you'll be good to go. But this case is a pinless wrap, so we're not using pin. So I just put a bunch in the center of the gele where I attached it, hair tie for some kind of cover up. But even if I didn't cover up, the hair tie kind of like match with the gele because it have that black undertone in the fabric. And the bunch fell, so let's put it again so that you can see how it is done. So I just kind of like attach the bunch again, and that's it. You are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and this is a very easy style you can achieve in less than 3 minutes for your next party. Don't forget to share. I love you all.